Hi YouTube, Jay here. In this video, I'll give you a beginner's guide on getting set up with Tradeium. This involves 3 steps. The first one is creating an account with Binance and Tradeium. The second step is connecting the two via APIs. And the third step is getting your bot settings set up at Tradeium. So let's get into it. The first one is go to Binance.com, register, fill out this form, create account, and then go to your email and verify your email address. Similar thing at Tradeium, click sign up. If you're in the US, you'll be redirected to us.tradeium.io. Fill out the form, sign up, and then go to your email and verify your email. Now on to step 2, which is connecting the two via API keys. After you log in to Binance, you'll see a page like this. In order to connect the two via API keys, you'll need to enable two-factor authentication. So you could do that by coming here, security, and this is the two-factor authentication section. You could choose one of these options, it's up to you, but every time you log in for the SMS authentication, for example, they'll send you a text message with a 6-digit code, and then you have to submit that whenever you log in or withdraw funds or change any security information. After you've done that, you hover here and go to API management. Yours might look a little bit different because you haven't created an API key yet, but you just will be prompted to input a label. Let's say this is where it will send you an email and my method of two-factor authentication, which is Google. So just send code, go to your email, get that, and then input the 6-digit code from the text message or Google verification. Once you fill that in, you will see the API public key and the secret key here. So all you do is you copy each one, go back to Tradeium, and then just paste it in here. And then click submit. Before you're done doing that, make sure you don't reload this page because then the secret key will disappear. As you'll see, you won't be able to get that. So you'd have to create a new one in that case. So now after you click submit, this will allow Tradeium to make buy and sell orders on your Binance account. And as you can see here, these are the permissions that you give the API key holder, which is in this case Tradeium. So you do not want to enable withdrawals. Please don't. And you might want to enable margin if you want to use margin bot, but that's a more advanced thing that you should try out. TrendBot first before trying margin bot. To do that, just edit restrictions and then fill that all. And that's step number 2. Moving on to step number 3, go back to Tradeium. Go to the portfolio page. To start, you'll only see the spot account, as you'll have to fill out an application to us for the margin bot in the margin account and do a few other steps, including going back and enabling margin here. So you can expand the spot account, and under the spot account, there's TrendBot and HODL. So HODL allows you to just buy and hold the coins in the portfolio. Then you can expand that, and there's a whole bunch of portfolio options for you to pick from. I go in more detail in these portfolio options in another video, so I'll just link that one up above that you could check out. Once you're happy with your bot settings, you can turn the bot on. And the first rebalance may take up to 12 hours, or you can click manual rebalance and it'll occur right away. From there, you could go to your spot or margin wallet. Again, you'll only see the spot wallet if you didn't enable margin bot yet. And then you could see all the positions that you have on this side and the chart. And that's pretty much it. This was also assuming that you funded your Binance account with Bitcoin or another cryptocurrency, which you'll obviously need for the bot to manage. So thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.